Yeah, but I've got this door panel mostly back on because we figured out that all of these switches here and the cigarette lighter and everything, it all works. So I'm trying to put everything back together. As you can see, we've got this panel back together. We've got the panel over there back together, except for that cigarette lighter because it's missing a couple of pieces. So we can't actually put that back together yet. And then, well, yeah, that panel's just a mess with all that wiring and stuff. So that's fun. But yeah, I'm trying to put everything back together so we know what we need to get or what we need to repair. Such as the light socket down here for the light, because it only works if you have it at a certain angle, and obviously we can't have that. So yeah, that's pretty fun. And then whoever put this back together did not do this right. Like this screw right here, it only goes through the material here. It doesn't actually go and anchor into anything like the actual door. This screws in. Behind these, there's supposed to be little anchors so it can actually like hook into the door, but they're gone because of course they are. And then someone just, like, this was a self-topper and someone just put that there. And then there's another screw hole there, but there's no screw. And then on this side there is no screw hole. But with those anchor things, see how those are supposed to be on the other side as well, but they're not. So for now, it just kind of sits and you can pull it from the actual door because it's not mounted there. So that's pretty fun. But yeah, I'm just trying to get everything back together, figure out what we need. Like, we know we're gonna need a socket. We do need a a locking switch for that side, because as we showed you earlier, that old one broke, and it's not easy to find this stuff. I'll tell you that. It's hours of looking, and we still haven't found all the parts that we need. Like, it's all of the stuff that we need. Like, we need a window motor for the wing window, and we need, yeah, right there. I don't think we need this actually, because I don't know if we've showed it in a previous video, but we actually repaired that. There was some like wonky wiring and Scotty fixed all that, so we're fine there. See, we need these. We fixed that blower motor. I think we showed you that. But like I said, the lock switch. Yeah, we need all of this eBay switch, not eBay, but motor switch stuff. I mean, window switch stuff. Yeah, it's not gonna be fun. Every door is fine. Like, this door is fine. This window works. That window works from these switches. This switch works for that window. That switch works for that window. And almost all of those switches work without having to do some janky wiring to fix this. So it's just this door that really needs to be fixed. And other than that, it's just like aesthetic stuff, like fixing this. But everything mechanical or like wiring, it's really on that door. So that's it, guys, and see you later. Well, I was just picking up everything, you know, because we're gonna get out of here soon. But I turn around, I look at this. So this switch, if it'll focus, it's definitely not in the center. Like, it only goes that much forward, but it goes that far back. So we gotta fix that too. That'll be fun. And then whatever happened here, I guess someone tried to replace it, or I don't know. But this is the original piece, and that's the replacement. Definitely does not match. And then this is peeling. That can just get glued. This here is just entirely in half. And then this panel here is actually in pretty good condition. Just gotta get some cleaning up. But other than that, it'll be fine. That's the panel that was here. So other than that, cleaning up and everything should be fine. But yeah, like I said in that previous video, this driver's side door panel, the surround here, it's just all messed up. So yeah, fun car. I like it. It looks great. Like, I love it. I just do not love doing the wiring and everything. Because whoever worked on this last, I don't think they knew what they were doing. So, yeah. Anyways, later, guys.